everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome. So guys, on this video we are going to be doing unboxing. Yes, so over here I have a package. I have two packages here. Yeah, so this is the first one, and this one is coming all the way from Amazon. Yes, it came during the week, so I don't have the chance, so I decided to unbox it today. Yeah, so this one. And the other one, yes, is here. Do you guys see this? This is multi-purpose slicer and dicer. Yes, I got this one, very close. Got this one from the store, so I decided to unbox it with you guys. So I'm going to start with this. This is slicer and dicer. Slicer and dicer. Yes, I have bought this slicer and dicer, guys. I'm not going to lie. I have bought this slicer and dicer for Monday. Since this year. I think this is the third or fourth one buying this year. Yes, I don't know whether it's because I'm into business. I don't know, but it doesn't last. It doesn't last. You guys know that whenever you want to make fried rice, like me, I don't cut my carrots with hand. I don't like it. I love using this dicer for my carrots. The other I can do it with my hand, but with the carrots I love to use the dicer. Maybe I use it all the time, use it always. Maybe that is why it doesn't last for me. I don't know. And if you are watching this video, maybe you have you have seen anyone that can last for me, please contact me or put it on my comment section. I will go for it. I will go and buy. Yes. So I have searched to see if there's any stronger one, because like this one, I got this one from Lady. So they brought it out a few days ago and I went to pick one. So let me open it for you guys to see. If you know there's anyone that can last for me, because I'm into business, I cook and people place order. I also cook for party. Maybe that is why, because I use it always. I use it often. Maybe that is why it doesn't last for me. So this is how it came. It came with one of the cover, and yeah, look at it. I'm going to bring it out from the carton. This is how they package it. They just only place this one on top. So I'm going to open it. Yeah. So this is the one I mostly use to dice my carrots. This one I use it a lot. The other Intense, they are very good, but this one is the always got spoiled. Always got spoiled. So I'm going to open it. Okay. And this is how it came. And these are the other ones. The other slicer. This one is very tiny, very tiny. I don't use this. This is the major one I use. We have different types inside. You can also use it to dice your anything you want to dice. Anything sliceable and diceable, so they are very good. So what the one I normally got spoiled in mine is either this or this, because this is what I use often. So these two, because whenever you are pressing it like this, because you need to as you guys can see me doing, because once I place my carrot here, I just have to press it down, place my carrot and press it down. So this two is what always got spoiled. So I have bought more than 3 times this year. We are in August now, so let's see how long this one is going to last me. And if you come across this video and you know anyone that can last me, please just put it on my comment section. I will go and look for it and buy it for myself. So the other package we are going to be unboxing right away is, so let's see what I have in there. Let's see if this one came from all the way from Amazon. As a blogger or as a YouTuber, you need to have it. This is it. I have scissors here. I'm still struggling to open my carton. This is self stick. I got this self stick on Amazon because the one I've been using for years. have used. Oh, is this how it looks? This one looks so big. Oh. I was thinking it's a very. This one is big. Oh my god. So this is how it came. The one I've been using for more than 4 years now, ever since I opened my YouTube channel, you know, got spoiled, so I decided to replace it. But this one is very big. I don't know. Let's see. So this self stick, I use it a lot. I even use it to, you know, to make my videos. But this, the one I have before, that one is very tiny. I don't know why this one is very big. I don't know. I think I got this one for about 400 crowns in our, about, let me say 40 euro. About 40 euro. Got this one in Amazon. Hope you guys have seen it. So this is how it looks. You just need to place your phone over there. Let me see if I can find one. Okay, I have one phone here. But this one is very big. The one I, you know, just like this. I use it a lot in my kitchen. Even when I'm going to a party, this is what I use, you know, all the time. This is the one that got spoiled. You can see this one is very small, but compared to this one, I don't know, because this is what's happened in my the previous ones I have. It got, you know, spoiled over here, so that is why I decided to replace it. But this one is very tiny, but it lasts. So this one lasts me for years. So, and I got this one a few days ago, and they bring it about 3 days ago now. So I went to collect it and just dump it somewhere because chance not there. So I decided to, you know, do the unboxing right away. But this one is very thick. I think it's going to last. Yes, because this is what I use to film my videos. Yes, I use it a lot to film my videos, and also use it when I'm going to party. And please, if you know you come across and you're a YouTuber, please let me know what you use to film your videos. Or if you use, like what I'm using right now to hold my camera, is one of my tripod. The one I normally use when I'm going out, or when I'm going out to a party, or, you know, just a very long tripod with a about 180, you know, height is what I'm using now to film this video. So because this one is so nice and practical, because this one you can take it anywhere, take it out and in out. So that is why I love it. I decided to, you know, this is it. So I'm just going to open it and show you guys how it looks. Sorry, this is yes, this is how it looks. If you are seeing it, then I'm going to, you can adjust it. This one, you can adjust it, or you can adjust it to the length you want, and place your camera there, and yes, you are good to go. This one is very, you know, big. Okay, let's see how it goes. Thank you all so much. See you guys on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed. Bye.